Hello, Asiya here from Palawan, Philippines. It's been a special and incredible time. I spent 3 days off the grid traveling, and it was an opportunity to be away from the noise that normally clouds our human experience and bombards us through social media and through city life, through cars, through all of it. So without distraction, I really was able to hear the silence and feel the space. And in that, I meditated on how I can really heal this skin infection that I've had throughout my time here in Asia. And I received an answer in my inner ear. You know, when you get quiet, you can receive information that's available to us from our higher selves or through divine connection. And the information that I received was a mantra that is, I love and approve of myself, or I love and accept myself as I am now. So oftentimes when we have an illness or when we have a diagnosis or something like that, we can become in denial of our current state or begin to hate ourselves, hate the condition that we have. So, when I had the skin infection, it's incredible. I've just been looking down at it and nourishing it and loving it and just saying, I love you as you are now. And I love and accept you. I love and approve of you. And I've been doing it all day today and yesterday since I received this, and I've had remarkable healing on it. And it's incredible, right? Something so basic. And simultaneously, what I saw was the attributes of other people reflected back into me. So let me explain. When I say I love and approve of myself, it's easy to love and approve of the aspects of myself that I like the generous and the kind, the loving aspects of self. But other people also reflect to us the aspects of ourselves that we find more challenging to accept. So, for example, irritability, not good listening, like short-temperedness, anger. If we identify these qualities in someone else and judge them for these qualities, we are judging ourselves, the irritability within ourselves, the anger within ourselves, the short-temperedness within ourselves. So if we see any quality expressed by someone else and feel compassion, then we are being compassionate to ourselves. So when I started to say I love and approve of myself, I love and approve of myself, these qualities within these other people that were reflecting back to me this quality within myself, I started to come face to face with that. And I was traveling in a group of 16 people. So, there's the people who are maybe using substances, and maybe I don't approve of that. But it's like that's judging the aspect of me that turns to something outside of myself to pacify pain, right? So sometimes we do it through food, some people do it through substances. So if I'm judging that in someone else, I'm really judging myself. I'm not accepting myself. So the more and more I said, I love and approve of myself, I love and approve of myself, I love and approve of myself as I am now, it's like I started to come into harmony and oneness with all the other aspects of other people. So the skin condition that I've been having is like redness and itching under the skin. And for that condition, it's like I'm letting things get under my skin. And so the more and more I come into union with all aspects around me, in other people, in sounds, in everything, I come into this state of unity consciousness. And in that, there's only oneness and there's only love. And it's a love of the full spectrum. It's not just the love of the kindness and the love and the joy. It's a love of the full spectrum of experience. Anyway, I hope this share was helpful. If you are struggling with any type of health condition, you can try this. You can try this technique. You know, I offer it as a tool since it's been so helpful to me, just by saying I love and accept myself. I love and approve of myself, and really looking at whatever condition you're experiencing. Because it's so hard for us sometimes. When we have a condition, we just want it to go away. We just want it to be done. I don't want to see it anymore. I don't want to look at it. But really looking at what's going on and saying I love and approve of myself as I am now. Not as I'll be when I'm healed, but as I am now. So try this out, and if you are struggling, I just know that I'm sending you so much love, strength, and courage to you on your journey. All of my love from the Philippines.